Hey there guys and gals, Slippery Slope here with the first video in our Visual Basic series. Why Visual Basic? Well, you probably already made the decision as to why Visual Basic, but for one thing, because it's incredibly easy to learn. And when I say incredibly easy, don't think that means you don't have to study and you don't have to listen, that you don't have to code, because you have to put in work, of course, plenty of work. But in terms of learning a language, I can't think of any other language as simple, as easy to pick up as Visual Basic is. In fact, a lot of people who use Visual Basic aren't even people who consider themselves to be coders. They're people who work on simple business applications, say applications for law firms, banks, whatever, who don't really think of themselves as people who want to be software engineers, just people who want to have a little coding knowledge. And if you want to be a software engineer, and if you want to be some sort of big-time coder, you can learn a lot from Visual Basic, basics as to how to improve your programming ability, and it's just a wonderful gateway language. And I mean language. It's not like drugs. It's a language. And you can learn stuff from VB. Anyway, I would love to keep my current color scheme. Thank you for asking, Windows. What you need to do in order to download Visual Studio is go to www.microsoft.com/Visual Studio. From there, hit enter. Of course, there are other ways that you can get to this particular website, but you're better off just doing what I tell you to because I'm a smart dude, and so are you, I'm sure. But anyway, you go to microsoft.com/Visual Studio, and then you want to go to products. You might think download, but you actually want to go to products. From there, you'll look at this sidebar on the left, and you'll see 2010 Express products. And yes, we're going to stick with 2010 stuff for the sake of our particular tutorials. And we're going to go to what I just clicked on yet again because I just want to prove to you that that's what you click on. Yeah, that's the ticket. And you click on See Download Details right over there, that wonderful cyan colored link. And from there, you want to look for right here, Visual Basic 2010 Express, easy as punch and pie. Now, you don't have to download just Visual Basic 2010 Express. There are other versions of Visual Studio for different languages, and there are others where it has more than one language in one. But because I already have Visual Basic 2010 Express and I'm comfortable with it, we're going to do our coding using this software. So you can click to make all this wonderful information appear. And if you speak Malayalam or Hungarian, you can look for other stuff. You can choose your language, or you can download in English. Hit install now, follow the steps, and before you know it, your Visual Basic will be good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and it's just about time for us to get to coding, and I'll have some more wonderful facts to tell you. Slippery Slope signing out. Peace.